number 20? Who's Pokemon? Oh! Whoa!
Sino yan?
It looks like a fox.
Okay. Open more.
That's look like a fox. Number
Hindi
17.
mo kilala ito eh. 17.
Wait, who is? Oh my gosh! It's another one. It's another one. The light blue.
Tingnan nga.
It's
Parang axolotl.
That's a snow axolotl.
Snow axolotl.
It's snow.
Okay. Gaganda naman. Next. Dami naman.
Who's there on Ash?
Ano number?
8. Was it? Who's here? Oh my gosh!
Who's that?
Wait, who is this?
Electrobuzz. Cherries.
How about this how about this?
Sige, open mo.
18.
Gawan natin ang pangalan. What number is that?
Oh my god!
Sino yan?
Wait, why does it have a tail? Whoa!
Wow! Si Crocodilo.
Wait,
Ano?
just like the blue one.
Yung blue mong toy, ano? Oh, next, open.
24.
24.
Wait, who's there?
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Who is this?
Naisip?
What
Sino ito? Ano to?
What the?
Si Nidoking.
Nipokin.
Nidoking?
Nipokin.
Nido.
Ano Nipokin?
Nido.
Wait! Oh, it's an alien!
Alien! Oo nga, no?
Who is this?
Ano, parang siopaw.
I don't know how this Pokemon is Shuckle.
Ano, Shackle?
Shuckle.
Shackle ang pangalan?
Yes.
Okay, oh.
Mommy,
Oh, ano number na?
I gonna find Shuckle. Wait. Is that Jigglypuff?
Yes, it's Jigglypuff.
Whoa.
Okay, find more Pokemons.
All my Pikachu characters. It's number
Oh,
5.
number 5. Sino?
Who is this?
Sino yan? Sino yan? May snail, ano?
What the?
May snail.
And this-
May snail, may shell.
It's a Snilly.
Snelly?
It's a Pokemon. And this
Gagawa-gawa ka
one
na
is
din ng pangalan, ha?
Ah,
Oh, ano number na?
11. What the?
Sino yan?
Oh my.
Si Gengar.
It looks like a germ. Just like this.
Really?
Just like this.
Tingin nga. Tingin nga. Ang dami naman ng germs. Oh. Next.
Ew. Number 2.
Okay.
Oh my.
Who is it?
Who is that Pokemon? What the?
Sino yan?
Oh,
What does it looks like?
it's a robot.
Eh?
It looks like a robot.
Oo nga, no?
It's a robot.
Ano pangalan?
Who's this robot?
Si Robototot. Why are you laughing?
Because a robot.
Robototot. Oh, next one.
10. Next.
Mm.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that Pokemon? Who is that Pokemon?
Sino yan?
What the?
Sino yan? Parang insect, ano?
But it's just a rhinoceros beetle.
Okay.
Wait, who is this?
Si Rhino Bee.
What the? Is that a word?
Yeah.
Is that a rhino?
Duda ka pa sa akin, ha? Ikaw talaga.
And number 3.
Sige. Is that a word ka dyan?
That's another one.
Sino yan?
That's
Si Jigglypuff at saka si... Sino ba yan? Wigglypuff ata. Oh, bala ka na. Oh, next, Pokemon.
It's Jigglypuff. And then roll.
Sige, next.
It's rolls. 1. Who's this Pokemon?
Ano yan? Parang elephant.
Who is this?
Si Elefanti.
What's that? Is that a word?
Next na. Tapos na, di ba?
7.
7. Push it. Hala, God bless you. Push it. Abay, ayaw mag-push. Mama nga. Sige.
Oh my. Who is that? Who is that carrot?
Sino yan? Ano yan?
What parang swan?
Parang swan? Patingin nga, mami. Parang phoenix. Oh, next Pokemon. Sino to?
And number 13.
13.
Who is there?
Ano yan? Black Pokemon.
Parang Ankylosaurus.
Parang Ankylosaurus?
Parang warthog.
Parang warthog!
Opo.
Can I see? Ano ba ito? Oo nga, no? Parang warthog.
Next, 19. Oh my. Wait, is this Novair?
Parang, ano ba yun? Yan o, tamo, pare-pare sila.
Is this Novair?
Sino?
Novair?
Ano Novair?
Just like in the TV?
Hindi ko alam, baby, kung anong pinapanood mo sa TV na
Just
cartoon.
like the red Novair.
Red Novair?
Yes,
Okay.
it's Novair.
Anong color nito?
Pink.
Pink, okay. Just making sure you know
So
your
now
colors.
16.
Yan.
Parang iguana.
Parang iguana. Anong pangalan?
Si Iguani.
Marunong ka na din magpangalan, ha? Oh, put mo dito. Tapos na?
It's Iguani.
Meron pa, ito pa.
9. Ah! Who is this Pokemon? What the shikmar?
Shipmark. Si Monkey. Oh nga! Ayaw mo niwala si Monkey. Monkey ang pangalan yan. Meron pa? Wala na po. Meron pa. Ito pa ata. Tingnan. Shake mo nga. Ay, wala na. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Ay, ang dami naman ng Pokemon yan. Ang
Let's
dami.
see in the movie.
Just like in the movie. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at it. Look here. Say bye. Allah.
Well, wait, let me see.